So listen, growing a profitable business right now is difficult. And unfortunately, you probably feel like it's getting more difficult and challenging by the day. I help business owners just like you to shift their focus from generating revenue to generating profit. And I hear this all the time. It doesn't feel like I'm running my business, Michael. It feels like it's running me. If you're feeling the same way, trust me, you are not alone. I stop business owners from enthusiastically running in the wrong direction all the time. So I want you to remember these 3 things. 1, you need to stop executing on ideas and start executing on plans. And when you join us at the workshop, you're going to walk away with a plan, by the way. Number 2, the same wall that protects you stops you. Think about that one. And number 3, you can get lucky and make it, but you can't get lucky and keep it. The local business landscape here in Maui has changed drastically for most of us in this last year. And it's still changing seemingly by the day. If you don't change the way you think about your business and marketing, your business may not survive this recovery period. That's why I'm hosting this workshop. I want to help you create the business you originally dreamed of. I want you to get that passion back that you once had for it. Reality is, I meet business owners every day who have experienced business failures, and it sucks. It puts stress on families just like yours. It causes divorces, and it leads people into depression. And Lord knows we are dealing with enough depression. We do not need it in our businesses. So look, it's not pretty, but I can show you strategies that can easily prevent all of this. And it's for this reason I've organized this in-person profit acceleration workshop. Consider this your exclusive invitation to join us for free, by the way. Register now because I do intentionally keep these to small groups so that they can kind of be intimate and interactive. So the space is obviously limited. And in case you're wondering, I help business owners like you discover the potential in their business by teaching strategies that can be implemented immediately, right when you walk out of this workshop. I've worked with numerous businesses over the years, and the reality is, most business owners are completely unaware of the low or no cost strategies that they can use right now to not only stabilize their revenue, but to create improvements to their sales and especially their profit. And get used to hearing that word because we are going to be talking a lot about it in this workshop. For example, I'm going to teach you a strategy to increase your profit without spending any additional money on marketing or advertising. And did you know only 4% of all businesses reach $1 million in revenue? So wouldn't it be great to learn how to have a similar profit margin to $1 million business with just 25% of that revenue? I'm going to teach you that strategy too. And although the main focus of our workshop is to show you how to systematically increase your profits without spending any extra money on marketing or advertising, you're going to walk away with a blueprint to make your current marketing even more compelling than it is right now. So you won't need to throw money at marketing just to see what sticks anymore. Being able to market and advertise your business at a profit is like a freaking superpower. And my goal is to give you that superpower. So this workshop will be free for you to attend, and there's nothing, I repeat, nothing to buy while you're there. So feel free to leave your wallet in the car, truly. We'll even feed you while you're there. So how can you say no to this? I'm going to be running these workshops weekly, partnering with my amazing friends at Royal Lahaina. So the view is going to be amazing, and we're going to do it as long as people are still getting value out of them. Select the date and time below for the workshop you want to attend and get registered now while I have spots available. Learn how to capitalize and profit in this ever-changing business environment we find ourselves in. I'm so excited to meet you. A hui ho for now. Aloha, everyone.